We at EagleView are honored to be considered the gold standard for roof measurement amongst the roofing and insurance industries. To that end, and understanding that many times solar installations will require a re-roof, we have embedded our same roofing data directly into TrueDesign. This should help you quote and install a new roof, whether directly through your company or through a roofing partner. To access the data, use the slide bar here, select the download section. For quoting, use BidPerfect PDF, and for the installation, use the Essentials Plus. Let's see what they have. The BidPerfect PDF shows a sketch of the home, the address, guaranteed square count, up to the predominant 4 pitches with the percentage of the pitch, this home only has 1, facet count, and suggested waste factor. Along with this, you receive our best 5 images, 1 top-down orthogonal, as well as our best 4 oblique images, the same images you'll find in TrueDesign. Essentials Plus for the actual re-roof project. You'll receive ridges, hips, valleys, step flashing, predominant pitch, total area, facet count, etc., along with all of your line lengths, pitch in degrees, estimated rafter lengths, the azimuth of each roof facet, the area of each roof facet, an obstruction map with annotation, and finally, your square count and square with suggested waste.